I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Safari, open it now and show the sidebar. Click the sidebar icon or press Shift-Command-L. Once visible, choose the Reading List tab marked by the glasses icon. This lists saved pages. Make sure you're in the right iCloud profile if items sync across devices. Now scan the list to identify items to remove. You'll act on them individually or delete many at once. Follow along and keep Safari active. Don't navigate away yet, because the next step removes entries immediately. You can delete one item by right-clicking it and selecting Delete, which removes it from the list immediately. If you need to remove several, hold Shift to select a contiguous range or Command to pick non-contiguous items, then press Delete or choose Remove. For a full wipe, use the Safari menu, Edit, then Clear Reading List. This clears everything. Be aware, clearing synced items removes them across your devices, so double-check before clearing if you want to keep anything elsewhere. Once done, verify removal by refreshing the sidebar or quitting and reopening Safari. This confirms items are gone locally. If deleted items reappear, make sure iCloud Safari Sync is correct in system settings. Sometimes a sync conflict restores entries. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud on your Mac, restart, then sign back in to force a fresh sync. This usually resolves ghost items. Finally, remember backups. If you need a page later, consider exporting links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.